Hey friends, today is the day I finally get to go to Magic Kingdom. It has been open for a week and today's my first time actually being back out here. I am so excited. Let's go do this.
For the health and safety of everyone, please wear a face covering. Wash your hands often and thoroughly. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain physical distancing. Thank you for your cooperation.
And what better way to start than right here with Walt's famous opening day speech. I cannot wait to just go through this walkway right here. It looks like we have some people gathering over here. More than likely, the princesses are out on the train station waving hello to all of the guests at the Magic Kingdom. I said that in my best Magic Kingdom voice. And yeah, look at that. It's them and the fairy godmother. I have seen so many pictures of the new castle, but I've been waiting so long just to be able to stare down Main Street and look at it myself. Wow, and there she is. Beautiful, huh? It feels so great to be back here. No matter what, the magic never disappears. And what's better than Magic Kingdom with some friends? Adam the Woo, Jackie super enthused. Are you guys ready to have a fun day at Magic Kingdom?
Oh my gosh, beyond ready.
Let's go do this. Oh, that's what I've been looking for right there. Look at how awesome this is. You get to walk in and right here, no big crowds, just literally Walt and Mickey. And there they are, there it is, Move It, Shake It, Dance Party. Start our magical day and head into Tomorrowland. I am so excited. I hear the People Mover is not working, and that was one of the rides I was most excited to get back on, but we're gonna check up on it. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. I feel like nothing can really ruin this day for me right now. I have that much like happiness actually happening. Like no lie, it's kind of like a little giggly feeling. I'm so excited. And sadly, no People Mover today. It has nothing to do with the current situation. I think it's a mechanical issue, but hopefully soon in a couple of days. Another attraction I can feel probably is a very popular attraction would definitely be the Carousel of Progress at this time. Only because you get to sit down, it's cool in there. A lot of people are overheating with the mask. That's a perfect escape. I don't think you can take your mask off, but just to be indoors and just sitting and listening to a beautiful story. And when in Tomorrowland, why not Space Mountain it? I think that sounds cool. We're gonna Space Mountain it. 10-minute wait, not too shabby. Gotta sanitize and oh, I love the smell. I love the smells of Disney. Oh wow, here we are, Mr. Johnson in the control tower. I am here for my flight to the moon. Absolutely no wait. Right on, here we are. Well, I guess there is a wait, maybe 2 minutes. Here comes our ride vehicle for this evening. Look at that.
I got the back seat.
Thank you. Last time I actually was on Space Mountain was Christmas Day with him.
That's right.
Yeah.
Short wait times that morning too.
Holiday overlay as well.
That's right. I forgot about that.
So much cool stuff. Oh boy. My first ride back at the Magic Kingdom. Oh, so great to be back.
About that. Well, this is one of my favorite parts, the beginning. And everything.
That was a terrifying scream right there. Couldn't have asked for a better first ride at the Magic Kingdom. Except for maybe the People Mover.
Yeah.
Or the Haunted Mansion.
There you go. That's it.
I thought for a second Adam was giving me bunny ears or something here. Not only is Space Mountain thrilling, but it actually cools you off a real lot. So now we're gonna head on over to Fantasyland, and I think we're gonna ride Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. Hi ho, hi ho. Even though there's nobody in line, I'm still walking along the fence just so I can get a couple glimpses of shade. Only 25 minutes. I think it's, yeah, it's gonna be less. Huh, very good. Thank you.
You're welcome, buddy.
And just like that, we're already in the vault. Literally took us probably 3, maybe 4 minutes. And literally about 10, 15 minutes, not too shabby. Ooh. There we are. Oh, wow. I got no one to rock with me, I'm sorry. I love it when they just hold you right here. Look at the storm clouds are rolling in over the beautiful new castle. I like that. Well, we were gonna do Haunted Mansion, but it looks like we've stumbled upon the longest wait of the day.
Yeah, maybe we come back later for that.
Maybe they're having ride difficulties because, yeah, that's a very long line. So unfortunately,
Maybe some pranky spirits have messed with the Doom Buggy.
Yes.
you know, I never even thought of it. So instead, we'll make our way over to Frontierland and check out Big Thunder Mountain and Splash Mountain. But look at these walkways. This is fantastic. Is the Diamond Horseshoe open? I just seen people go in there. Oh wait, maybe that's just a separate way to go into the Liberty Tree. Oh, I got really excited. And what a treat in Frontierland. This is awesome. Yeah. And what is Adam looking at? It's Big Al. Oh, look at him. You're my friend. You're my favorite, Big Al. Don't tell Liver McGraw. I'm sorry, my heart belongs to Big Al. And look at that, 20 minutes. But as we could tell earlier, everything said 20 minutes and usually it was 10 to 15. So let's go for a ride on the wildest ride in the wilderness. No fighting, no wrestling, no drinking, no kidding. Look at those beautiful scenic views. I've actually haven't been in the queue on this side for a very long time. I haven't been in this queue for a very long time either.
Yeah, the extended.
Beautiful shots of the Haunted Mansion. Just look at it. Wow.
However, if you need to leave, please see a Big Thunder Mountain Railroad host or hostess for assistance.
No.
Once again, due to inclement weather conditions in the immediate vicinity.
Sorry, folks. Looks like the ride has stopped due to inclement weather. But it's okay. I'm gonna ride it again. I'm happy just to be able to come here and walk through the queue. I'm not even kidding about that, actually. Now we're gonna see what other attraction we can get done. I mean, it's not like we haven't been able to get a lot done so far anyway. I mean, there are some very dark clouds in the area. I think it's because of lightning. And I don't want to actually wait in case, you know what I mean, they eventually don't open back up, and if it starts raining real bad, which I think it is happening right now. Holy moly, literally. Wow. Seek shelter. Splash Mountain. Well, the rain started and then stopped pretty much abruptly, but I did make it down to the Splash Mountain gift shop, mainly because I want to see if I can get the It's Satisfactual shirt, and it looks like there's only about maybe 15 people in line, so I came at the right time. I've seen like reports of 2-hour waits and stuff, but look at that, I lucked out. Didn't wait long at all, and look at that. Oh, I'm not really interested in the stuffed animals. I just want a nifty shirt for myself, but I don't think they have any. Other than that, I don't see much of anything. I see the stuffed animals. I see that they have some Splash Mountain like t-shirts, but only in extra small.
So are there no other shirts besides this?
No, all extra small, extra small. That makes me sad. I really wanted to get something, but like I guess the only thing I can choose from is the Brer Bear stuffed animal and also the pins. So I'm not sure which way I'm gonna go. Overall, I just wanted a really cool t-shirt, but that's not happening. Here's the pin. Actually, I think they have 2 pins. And Jackie's holding the other one, which it doesn't matter because I cannot focus on it. Yep. That's it there, folks. I think I'm giving in and I'm grabbing Brer Bear. I came for a shirt.
You're not getting any shirts in, unfortunately.
Well, I mean, you got the extra small.
We did.
Goals for me one day, maybe. But I don't see any time in the future I'm going to be fitting in an extra small.
Yeah, I got it.
We're taking a social distance selfie with our bears.
Which one's the real Brer Bear? There's 3 of them. You're duplicating like gremlins. They got wet in the rain.
Why are they shaking like this?
I don't know. I got influenced.
Oh
You guys
boy.
did it, so I did it. Ooh, he's hanging from the...
I don't know why that's
so random.
I don't know why
I love
that's
it. And when we came out of the Splash Mountain gift shop, we realized Big Thunder was back up and running. So attempt 2 to ride the wildest ride in the wilderness. The only thing I do want to point out is if you're claustrophobic, right here is a tight spot. Kind of had a little anxiety approaching this. And he's looking at the handprints on this. Lordy. And it was a success. And we've got seat 1, 2, and 3. Oh boy.
Oh boy.
I needed this. I'm so happy that we decided to come back and ride that, actually. I feel so much relieved that I got to ride that today. I felt bad that I wasn't able to ride Haunted Mansion because of the long wait, but at least I got Big Thunder Mountain done. and that is pretty satisfactual. And still not too many people in Frontierland. How come nobody wants to go see the country bears? Adam's taking off for the day, so me and Jackie are gonna see if we can squeeze in maybe another ride.
Yes.
Maybe revisit Haunted Mansion.
Oh, that'd be perfect.
Maybe those ghosts stopped acting up. And
Spooks, yeah.
yeah, maybe the silly spooks stopped acting up and maybe we can get on.
Yes.
Ooh. This queue was full when we walked past, and now it's completely empty. Another interesting thing is, do we get to walk through the graveyard?
No.
Oh.
So it's not open for visitation, but you can see it.
I still want that plaque though. And look at that. She wasn't joking.
Yeah, look at this. Amazing.
Foolish mortals to the haunted mansion. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little tour.
I'm really liking the way that we're loading on a Haunted Mansion right now. Instead of going down that narrow passageway, you kind of just go right here. That's like the coolest thing I've seen so far when it comes to altered actual queues.
Spirits are frightfully sensitive. Frightfully sensitive.
Yes, we gotta pick that time.
And marvels of the greatest. My life unlivable.
Are they gonna swap our heads?
Oh, bats.
For some reason, I have never stopped at this point right here and noticed the Contemporary Resort like right in eyesight from the Magic Kingdom. That blows my mind right now. We decided to get some frozen blue raspberry slushies
Yeah.
and just sit down and relax. And we were wondering if our rocking chairs were not here. No! That is so sad. But I absolutely destroyed this. This was so delicious. This might be the best drink to have on a very hot day. I mean, I don't know, there's a couple other good cold beverages, but this is up there. It reminds me of like the slushies that are from Hills. You ever been into like a Hills department store or Ames? You've never been into Hills or an Ames? Let me know in the comments if you guys have, but that's what kind of slushie it is. Jackie's gonna actually head to Pirates of the Caribbean, and I am actually gonna be leaving. So, bye Jackie.
Bye, Nate.
We'll see you probably tomorrow.
Probably tomorrow, maybe.
And I feel like this is an appropriate spot to say goodbye. Not goodbye, just to end the vlog, because I'm gonna head home and I'm probably gonna shower because it was a very, very hot day today. The mask wasn't so much the issue, it's just basically the heat. I mean, actually my hat probably causes me more troubles during the heat than the mask does. Anywho's, I had an amazing time. I am so happy to be back here, and I just can't wait to come back again. I don't know when that's gonna be, but I can't wait. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I enjoyed making it. We'll see you next time. Bye.